Excelon receivers from Kenwood are some of the best you can get on the market. For those of you unfamiliar, they are an elite line of Kenwood stereos, kind of like Pioneer's next line. What makes the Excelon unique and a little more expensive from other Kenwood radios is the internal components, higher quality materials, and a cool name, you know the deal. The DDX395 doubled-in receiver is the updated version of the DDX394. Kenwood made two interesting changes to this radio from its predecessor. First, they removed the 3.5mm iPod AV input. So besides the backup camera input, there is no audio-video input on the stereo, making screen mirroring virtually impossible. And they also pulled out the front camera input pigtail. Why did they do this? I don't f***ing know. Do I look like I work there? The stereo has a 6.2-inch clear resistive touchscreen display and a built-in DVD player. Its LED backlighting helps combat sunlight and has a resolution of 800 by 480 pixels. Bluetooth lets you practice hands-free calling and go through your phone book. Plus, you can wirelessly stream your music from your libraries and apps to the radio. The DDX395 also offers dual phone Bluetooth connection. Music Mix allows 5 Bluetooth devices to be connected at the same time. The tuner functions are about as basic as every other radio. AM, FM, presets, no HD radio. The front faceplate is not detachable. Connecting a device via the USB port not only enables a charge to your phone, but also gives you access to your music and app control over Pandora, iHeartRadio, and Spotify. The difference between the USB and Bluetooth connections is that the USB displays album artwork onto the radio and offers higher quality audio, as opposed to compressed Bluetooth audio. The DDX395 has Android Rapid Charge and Android Music Playback. Expand the radio by installing the iDataLink Maestro RR, which integrates your vehicle with factory audio systems like Bose and Infinity. Integrates factory steering wheel controls, satellite radio, and USB. It also adds OBD2 support with vehicle information, allowing you to check out gauges, tire pressure, adjust climate control at the radio, and even parking assist. Link in the bio for that. A USB thumb drive adds the ability to display photos and videos on the radio, as well as music files. For audio, the radio is compatible with MP3, WMA, AAC, WAV, and FLAC audio files. And for video, is compatible with playback of MPEG-1, MPEG-2, as well as viewing and uploading JPEG images. The keys have variable color illumination to set to any color you want, or use the scan option. Plus, select a preset background or customize it by uploading one yourself with a thumb drive. The audio settings start with a customizable 13-band EQ with optional presets, add sound effects like loudness, bass boost, and drive EQ, adjust the fader and balance position, as well as the speaker crossover settings, which let you select the type of speakers in your car for further customization, listening position, time alignment, and volume offset. The connections in the back include wiring harness for power ground and speaker, Sirius XM, iDataLink Maestro, Bluetooth microphone, video output, backup camera, 3 sets of 5-volt preamp outputs for front, rear, or subwoofer, radio antenna, USB. The stereo comes with a Bluetooth microphone, wiring harness, and parking brake extension. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com today to get all of your car audio and video gear with us. Links in the bio. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, but if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and leave some comments, and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.